Crystalfontz America just released a new TFT display in their robust, packet-based lineup. Here's what makes it fantastic for your next project. 480 by 128 pixels, 16.7 million colors, 400 nits brightness, capacitive touchscreen or not based on the model you choose. Black 6-button backlit keypad with 10 separately controllable RGB LEDs, 6 under key LEDs and 4 status LEDs, a micro SD card slot, 13 GPIOs, buck boost switching supply, supporting 3.3 volts to 5 volts, ST microelectronics STM 32H7 microcontroller, 16 megabyte hyperbus, pseudo-static RAM integrated circuit, and 16 megabyte flash. Inquire about samples on our website, www.crystalfontz.com, or email us at support@crystalfontz.com.